How to change the seed of Aternos server. The first things first is you have to head out to their page or to their website. Now pull up your or access your preferred web browser. Right now I'm currently using my Google Chrome for this tutorial. Now once you have pulled up your preferred web browser, head to aternos.org. And once you're here, make sure that you have currently logged into your account and then just go ahead and click or access our current world. Now from here, all you have to do is to click on worlds right here. Now right after world, click on generate, which is the green button right here. Now this is how you change server on Aternos. Now all you have to do before you click on generate button right here is you had to change the world name. You can change the world type, data packs. You can add on data packs, hardcore mode. You can try to turn it on or turn it off. And before you hit on generate, make sure that your current world is gonna be saved or backed up, because what's gonna happen is gonna be if you click on generate without saving your current world will be deleted and will be replaced a new one. So that's how you change server and Aternos.